open up here in the back, and today I got the JBL Tour 1. So the Buzz did a really good job for me. Go watch my previous video. So I had to cop these. And again, your boy is back. He's daring me to listen to these and listen. At first I was trashing them, but hey, I like these. These are freaking awesome. So I had to get these and pick these up. And I'm a big fan of the earbuds. So I can't wait to unbox this and listen to this. So let's get it started. I got goals today. You got goals today. Throw them things for your boy. Let's get it started. All right, here it is. JBL Tour 1. True adaptive noise cancellation, Bluetooth, and high-res audio. CES gave it an Innovation Awards. Again, that's the credibility right there. And it has 50 hours of battery life. That is crazy. All right, so we already talked about this. I have the adaptive noise canceling with smart ambiance, which is cool. It has a smart audio and video mode. All right, and it says extend 25-hour active noise cancellation battery with silent now. It has hands-free voice control, which is awesome. And it has accurate voice calls with 4 mic technology. Wow, that's great. So you can make phone calls with these. Okay. So inside comes with a bag, USB Type-C charging, so you know you get that fast charging. You can fold. 10 minutes equals 3 hours of battery life. Wow, that's crazy. So with noise cancellation on, it's 25 hours. With it off, it's 50 hours. Again, that's a whole day with it on. And it's fast pairing. You can use Google products, Alexa built products, and also Apple products with it too, and a whole 9 yards. And again, you are okay. Also, if needed, it do come with the app, the JBL app, to help tweak and custom your noise sound for you. All right, so now let's unbox this. Can't wait for this. Alright, so fresh out the box, it says designed to inspire. That's pretty cool. It has a nice padded cushion inside of here. It's all around the box. You can already see inside it has a nice cushion to put it away. And as you see inside here, it has the quick guides, startup guides. It has a Google guides to start up, Amazon Alexa guide to start up, warranties for you to set up if need be. So again, it's helping you to be safe and secure with your product. Now we got the JBL itself. This is pretty nice. Come with a nice case. Feels protective, nice and luxury. Nice smooth inside. Smells good too. All right, so when you first take it out, it's already folded up inside, and you have the USB Type-C port right here. You got this. I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna find out what that is. Then also you got the 3.5mm jack. Then last but not least, you got the headphones itself. Just wow, this feels really nice and smooth. The quality feels amazing. How to design this, you see it has the cushion on top, and then right here it cuts off, as you see the gap right here. It goes into the nice flush metal right here. Let's zoom in on that so you can just see the comfort in it. Look at this. I'm just gently rubbing it, and you can just tell just how soft it is. But then right here, like I said, you get to the metal, which is nice too. You know, sustain some damage if need be. Not saying you want to damage it, but it can. And then, you know, on the headphones itself, it says Tour 1. And with the headphones, they're really quick to turn. But yep, you got the left and the right. You have the nice soft cushion right here. This feels so nice. Feel like pillows gonna smack up against your ears, you know, when you listen to these. And then you have the nice design, smooth design right here. Nicely built together. It feels really luxury. This costs $300. So a lot of work been put into it. That's pretty much mid-cost of a lot of designer headsets. It's not the highest price, nor is it's the lowest price. It has a nice medium of that 300 right there. All right, so let's get in more in depth into it. You have the Bluetooth right here. You have the volume buttons. You have the port for the headphone jack. Then on the other side, You got the USB Type-C port, and also you have the light right here to emulate of what it's doing, if it's charging or not. And that is pretty much it. Even on the inside, it has a nice cushion. So I'm gonna turn these on, set these up, listen to some music, and give you my initial thoughts on how these are. But so far, I'm really liking these. All right, so I'm going over the quick guide, honestly, really quickly. So this is actually the ambiance button. So that's good. That helps out with the sound and to help out with the surround sound and, you know, help clear out the sound. And so also going over the guide, you have some button commands. You know, you can make phone calls, tap 1, tap 2, tap 3 for some button features, and also making phone calls. Next, you got the multi-point connection, so you can connect to 2 devices. So that's pretty cool. Silent now, aka active noise cancellation. So, you know, you can turn on the noise cancellation if you want or not. You have the hands-free feature, aka, you know, you can tell it what to do, talk to it, you know, and you have some commands too. For example, you can follow with it, you know, basic voice command stuff. You have the LED behaviors. So right here, when it's orange, you know, this is the battery life. When it's blue, it's, you know, it's trying to connect to Wi-Fi. And I honestly read the book to figure out what this is. I have no idea what this is. It has an airplane on it. It probably has something to do with traveling. So, all right, so this is how it looked like with it on. Feels nice and comfortable, feels good on my head. Immediately when you turn it on, you can actually hear everything clear out. So the noise cancellation is great. I'm playing some music right now, I can barely hear myself. So let me cut that off. It feels good. It don't feel like it's sucking in my ear, but yeah, it feels good on my head. It feels good in my ear. Again, I feel like nice pillows. It felt really good. I'm gonna put these back on. That's how comfortable these were. It has like a nice, cool feeling to it, you know? And now I got that feeling. So if you watch my previous video, what I talked about, when you put on headphones, you get that wow, comfortable feeling. I get it with these. Again, I don't know that feeling, but when you put these on, you get a feeling of like, wow, these feel really good. And I get the feeling with these. So again, I like these. These are it. All right, so I don't know what kind of audience I got, but I'm just playing some music that, you know, everyone will enjoy. That's R&B. So here you guys go. The bass is really mid, you know? The bass is not really hitting for me, but all right, but guys, well, what do you guys think about the headphones? Hopefully it sounds good through there, whatever, through the mic. But I like it. It feels comfortable. It feels nice. It is worth the 300 to me. I like it. I love the battery life on it. Come on now, 50 hours, 2 days right there. 1 hour, 1 whole day with after noise cancellation on. Can you beat that? I don't know. I like the design, JBL, the Toro all over it. The comfortable head top, the nice pillow. Put these on, man. They're so comfortable. All right, so what do you guys think? Throw them 3s up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. And I hope you make a decision on buying these or not. But I like them. I would give them like a, I'll give them like a 4 out of 5. I just wish the bass hit a little bit harder, but that's probably what the app is for, to hit that bass for me. So let me go in here real quick into the app. All right, so I had to go to the settings. I turned the bass. See, I hit bass. I turned the bass all the way up. Hopefully that helps. All right, so I think the bass sounds a lot better, but again, it's still so I will bump it up to 4.5 stars. It's not fully 5.0 for me, but it's 4.5. Still a great buy to me. Just wish the bass was a little stronger. I want to hear that boom sound, you know that you get. But you know, again, still great mics. I love the battery life for it. All right, that's all I got to really say. If you guys think these are great, good. Let me know down below. If you guys think you found something better or you know something better, let me know down below. I'll cop those, do a review on those, and I'll give you my opinion on how that is. But all right, guys, that's it. Throw them 3s up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. Let's get it done. Never stop on this channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.